If you have oily, acne-prone skin, you're going to be really happy to watch this video and to learn 5 powerful insider secrets that will help you have healthier skin in every season. Simple hacks, and these hacks you can do even without stepping out of home. I have a client called Monica who wasn't able to get rid of her acne because she was not focusing on getting rid of her dandruff. She was using so many products for her face, but since her dandruff wouldn't go away, her acne kept coming back. Another client of mine named Shalini, she was not using a moisturizer because she felt her skin is very oily. But since she was not using a moisturizer, her skin was always irritated and the oil kept coming back. She was yo-yoing between the oiliness and the dryness. All these cases make me realize that there are 5 so important things, myths and facts which can be confusing to laymen because of the availability of too much information from unauthentic sources, unscientific sources, that I decided this is the perfect video, especially in this hot and humid summer. Number 1, use an AHA/BHA face wash. If you do not know what an AHA/BHA is, find out about it, talk to your physician about it. You can visit my YouTube channel and find out a lot of content about these very powerful active ingredients. This will help you in oil control. You would agree, if you have acne, you need to think about oil control. Another thing is use a chemical exfoliator. People do use a lot of scrubs, but then a chemical exfoliation is much more effective in acne, much more than a scrub. A lot of information about chemical exfoliators are available on my YouTube channel, on the internet. And yes, chemical exfoliators are extremely value for money kind of topicals. Make sure you use them, and if you use them under medical supervision, because a doctor will be able to tell you how often you need to exfoliate. It is not a one size fits all. So asking a doctor, using it the right number of times every week is definitely going to be your game changer in getting freedom from acne and getting really healthy skin. And yes, I told you about dandruff control. If you do not control your dandruff, if you let your scalp be too oily, your acne may just keep coming back, because this dandruff can fall on your face, this oil clogs can fall on your face, and it can clog your pores, and clogging of the pores is going to give you whiteheads and blackheads and acne and all the complications of acne. So we have learned 3 things now, and the 4th thing which people would say, really, is that so important, is using a moisturizer. Always think about balancing the oil and the moisture levels of the skin. Yes, you need some amount of good oils and you do need a lot of moisturizer. Depleting your skin of moisturizer is going to do more harm than good. So make a mention of this. Even if you have an oily skin, you definitely need a moisturizer. You can use a serum based moisturizer. I love prescribing hyaluronic acid serum to my clients who have extremely oily skin, and they are delighted by the results. Some people like to use a gel based moisturizer. Even an aloe vera gel could do some good to you. So do not shy away or do not fear a moisturizer. You will be able to see the difference in the skin health within 15 days of using the right moisturizer. And yes, you know the awesome inside out principle. You cannot be unhealthy on the inside and have beautiful skin on the outside. So remember to eat a lot of foods containing vitamin A and zinc. That is, yes, some amount of mangoes are good for you, carrots are good for you, nuts are good for you, walnuts are good for you, seeds are good for you. Google for foods containing vitamin A and zinc. Very good for acne. Refrain with having high sugar foods, processed foods and cola. Keeping it simple yet effective. I'm sure this was helpful. Share this to add a lot of value. There are so many people struggling with acne and using things that are not working for them. Write to me if you need any clarifications. We are more than happy to help.